So that habit you have to develop in this preparation. Repeating the same content, repeating the same notes, rewriting the same notes time and again. Isn't it? I will discuss everything in class. I will dictate you also with discussion. Once we complete the class, then your responsibility is start revision and making that more concise. First revision, second revision, revision and making your notes, organizing your notes in dimension, topical dimension. For example, land reform. What is land reform? One dimension. Objectives of land reform, second dimension. Forms of land reform, third dimension. Success failure analysis, fourth dimension. And contemporary initiative after green revolution for land reform like Rashtriya Krishi Vikas Yojana, National Food Security Mission, fifth dimension. Bas. Dimensional. This dimension would be like अमिताभ बच्चन ऑफ शोले, कि जिसको देख के पूरी मूवी याद आ जाए, है ना? When you see अमिताभ बच्चन और धर्मेंद्र, you recall the movie, isn't it? या रजनी को देखते हैं तो उस रजनीकांत की मूवी याद आता है ना, पूरा कंप्लीट पिक्चर. So that is dimensional. So third revision. Fourth, every time you revise the same content, you do innovate. Third revision, you have to do interlinking. You have to optimize those dimensions by doing backward forward linkages, isn't it? You have to remain focused on the content which you have prepared through class, isn't it? More you are focused on that, more you are able to optimize, the content by doing backward forward linkages. Paper 1 का linkage with paper 2, paper 2 का linkage with paper 1, and both paper 1 and 2 का linkage with general studies. Paper 1 to 3 facts, right? Paper 1 to 3 facts. Just I said, facts, contemporary facts or current facts. What is land reform? Conventional definition. What are the objectives of land reform? Conventional things, static things. What are the forms? That is already there, 5 forms. Then success failure analysis, borrowing the concepts, functionalist analysis, Marxist analysis from paper 1, and lastly recent initiative. Recent initiative as a corrective measure for land reform, क्योंकि failures भी हुए हैं. Lastly, one paragraph.